Tool tubers. I got a jam for you. I got a jam for you. I got a tool bag tour for you. Who's that? DeWalt, basically, right? Yeah, just a cheaper version of DeWalt. So, we got the Bostitch bag here, heavy duty. I did a review of this bag. I'll link it right here. This thing is heavy duty. It's got the plastic bottom. This thing, I gotta, it's heavy. The tool tubing G. But yeah, guy. What's going on, guy? What's up, guy? Look at this bag, dog. Yo, I could stuff so much stuff in here. It's not even funny. Look at this. It's crazy. It's crazy, I tell you, man, you know? I tell you something. It's crazy that I could stuff all this stuff in here, you know? It's crazy. Yo, this bag is $20 at Walmart, son. $20 hairs. Alright? Look, yo, I got straight bits in here, son. Straight bits, dude. Got mad bits in there, B. You know what I mean? These are my favorite gloves here. These Gorilla Grip, son. I just picked up a box of these in the homeless dust spot. $20. $1 a pair, man. You can't beat that. But yeah, let's start with this joint over here. Oh, and it comes with a nice shoulder strap there, you know. So we got a couple knives here, you know. We got the little Stanley joint here, the 10499. You know what I mean? I had this for years, son. Years. You know what I mean? We got the DeWalt, I meant. This is dope. I don't like this though. It's uncomfortable right here. If you hold it down here, you gotta hold it up here. You know what I mean? Well, this is straight. Bigger wire. You know, I use these big knives on bigger wires for like 600s and shit, you know. I got my flex head joints up in here. This is the hip hop version, alright, son? This is the New York banger. 2-2, but we got a cheap little level here. I don't want to get rid of it because it works, you know. What else we got? Oh, we got alligator clips, brand new, son, for the multimeters. Yeah, I mean. What else? Oh, we got some flashlights, another knife. I got mad knives, yo. I'm Puerto Rican, son. I got mad knives, bro. When you grow up in the block, son, you know you gotta carry a knife. Look. I got another knife, guy. Holy guy. This thing is sharper than anything I've ever seen in my life, guy. And these are a couple of Klein joints I showed you guys. Oh, this is my favorite. This right here. Go to your local Dollar Tree and buy a box of these things. They're $1. Look at this. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. And I got one in my tool bag. This is WD-40, bro. This will keep your tools looking mint. After those long, hard days at work, all that dust and dirt and grime. from sheetrock and all that stuff. Take it right out. Look, this is the second version, second generation of that DeWalt knife here. See, this is the first. That's the second. And it's compact now. It's smaller. It's not as big. See? But I use this one for big wires because it's got a bigger body to it, you know. This I have yet to use. It's comfortable though. I ain't gonna lie. It's real comfortable. You know? I like the DeWalt knives, man. They're nice. I like Stanley too, you know. But then again, I like Milwaukee. That thing is brand new. I can't even open it. Which knives do you like, Tool Tubers? Yeah, I found another knife here. A couple. I can't find my the one I use every day right now. I'm looking for it. I got this cheapo. I don't know where I found this. I forgot. I found that. Then I got this joint here. I haven't used this yet. I don't know. Kind of skeptical about this blade, you know. It looks. It doesn't look too, you know. But I got a cobalt knife I use every day. I love that thing, man. Well, a utility knife. It's not a knife like this. Oh yeah. As we proceed to give you what you need. Flashlight. Look, all this is coming out of here. You understand? Like I got like 4, 5, 6 knives in here, guy. Come on, guy. You can't tell me this ain't the bag for you, guy. You know? I got all. Oh, look at that. Look at that. The multi screwdriver, electronic screwdriver. Look at. I got all these guys here. Look. Just look at what I got here. I don't want to rip everything out, but just look. Oh yeah, check this out. Got this in Christmas time. Craftsman, Sears, we all love them, right? Peep this out, guy. There it is. I don't know if you can see that. You see that hairline crack there? That's not good. This is cracked. This came like that. Brand new. I never used this once. Look, hairline crack all through there. Gotta warranty that thing, dude. Didn't even use it once. That's why, yo. If you get stuff on sale, try to look at it before you buy it, because it might be defected. Just saying, you know? Like my boy says, hashtag just saying. Is that Makita chuck there for the impact. So if you got just an impact and you got bits that go on a drill, this is basically a 3/8 chuck for your impact. We got stubbies, we got tape, and then in here we got all the hand tools here. Alright, these are hand tools you guys seen already, but they got pockets here. See, they got pockets in there for all these hand tools. Look, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 hand tools and 4 pockets. 10. Okay, you guys know about the Klein. I did a video on the Klein multimeter. Alright, that I could link all up in here now that I link. I love Lincoln and Franklin. Look, I got all this stuff in here, guys. Look, I got Nipex stuff in here. Of course I got Nipex, dude. I told you guys I tried these Nipex joints. I ain't lying. Everything I tell you guys, I ain't lying, man. I ain't steering you wrong. We are 26-1. That's what I sold all my screwdrivers that I so regret. Now I'm slowly building them up again. They're not here. They're in my tool bag in my car. These are tools that just sit at home. This is tools to sit at home and do nothing. Collect dust. While people are out there struggling, trying to make ends meet. Oh, excuse me. I'm here with a frickin' bag of frickin' brand new frickin' tools. Not doing a damn thing. These are dope, son. I have yet to use them yet. Actually, I use the 1 inch is for my punch set that I'm gonna order. Just the dies I'm gonna order and the big nut there, because I got the wrench already. And this is all my my gear wrench stuff in there. Look, like, come on, you telling me this bag ain't dope, dog? Like, look, I got like nice shit in here. You know what I mean? Like, it's just, and that's a $20 bag, guys. Like, I'm just telling you, you don't have to go and blow $89, $79 for a bag that's gonna hold up and hold all your tools. This thing, alright? I got it full of tools, bro. Like, full. You know? A bag like this, you can put all your tools in there and carry it away with this nice shoulder strap. It will be heavy though, I tell you. You fill it up, it's gonna be heavy, you know. But I'm telling you, I'm telling you, this bag is dope, son. I love it. $20, you can't go wrong. All right, shrimp. Catch y'all in the next one. Peace.